part 3.
Yes.
This
Hippie,
is part
hippie, shake,
3
shake.
of that engine that you put in.
Hippie, hippie, shake. Hang on, play. Yep, it's in. Yep. Woo! You made it like a baby.
Okay, we have to drop it a little bit now.
Drop the train.
Yeah, drop the train. No, drop the.
Train a bit. Drop.
Yeah, drop the train a little bit. Not too much. Drop a little bit. Drop a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, we got it in.
Huh?
Yeah, it's in. Yep, it's all in.
This is how this guy put in an engine. So definitely you have. I don't think anybody have the energy to carry the whole engine in, so they have to use a lift to get that in. Lock. So now the job starts from here, one ball at a time.
Okay, we might have to drop a little bit more so that we can reach to the bell housing. I'm going to pull on the drop more on the cherry pickup.
Drop the engine
drop
all
as
the
much
way
as
down.
you can, all the way down. Good.
Yeah, good enough so you can have a space put our finger in.
No, we have room to put the ball in.
And one together.
All the ball, not that. Or to be, one at a time. They put it in back.
bracket nhá rồi đó. Tiếp tục going together. Okay.
Ai cũng đâu nghỉ gì đâu mai. Mai cũng cái mồ.
Oh, this guy speaking alien. You can't understand.